Hello YouTube, I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm going to review an app called MouseKit, and MouseKit is uh, also from a top developer called UI Studios. So I cannot pronounce it, it's YOOII Studios. So let's get started. When we open the app, okay, so as soon as we open this app, we see this big box which will work as an trackpad or a wireless mouse for your PC. So to get started, when you click there, you will see a message called connection failed. So first you will have to enter the IP address and port, and this application does not need internet connection to work. It will simply work on your hotspot or any network, but your computer and your mobile should be connected to the same network. So I will use my hotspot. All right, so for remember to activate your hotspot, and let me head to my laptop. Okay, so this is the application called Mobile Buddy, which you'll have to download on your PC. This is available for Windows as well as Mac OS. Links are in the description. So when you open this application, don't forget to connect to the hotspot which we have created from our mobile phone. I've connected it, and once the application is started, you will see this IP address and port which you will have to enter on your mobile phone. Don't make any mistakes. So let me do that on my mobile phone right now. Okay, so here, go to settings. Okay, so enter the address, and right here the given address. Okay, and the port, and just say connect. Okay, so I've made some mistake here. Okay, here it is 192, and just say connect. Once it is connected, you can see I am controlling this PC with my smartphone, and this works as a trackpad, and this button works as an left key, this as an right key, and this you can use to scroll, and even you can write anything on your PC, like just click here and click on this keyboard button and you can write anything, whatever you like. So this is it. This application is really very helpful. I would recommend you to at least try it, and thank you for watching. Like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.